2 years ago, most people were amazed that AI could write a decent paragraph. Now, it can help write software, summarize research, analyze spreadsheets, generate images, draft business plans, create video concepts, and act like a digital assistant. But the biggest story is not just that AI is getting better. The bigger story is that everything around AI is accelerating at the same time. The models are improving. The tools are easier to access. The infrastructure is expanding. Businesses are experimenting. Investors are paying attention. And millions of people are learning what AI can actually do in real life. That is why AI feels like it is moving faster than almost anyone expected. Welcome to Beyond Tomorrow, where we break down the technologies, markets, and ideas shaping the future before they become obvious. Today, we are looking at why AI is accelerating, what is driving the shift, and what it could mean for work, investing, business, and everyday life. For decades, artificial intelligence felt distant. It lived in research labs, science fiction, enterprise software, and technical conversations that most people never touched. Then something changed. AI became simple enough for regular people to use. You did not need to be a programmer. You did not need expensive equipment. You could open a chat box, ask a question, upload a file, describe a problem, or request a draft. That changed the baseline. Suddenly, millions of people were experimenting at the same time. Writers used AI to brainstorm ideas. Developers used it to debug code. Students used it to understand difficult topics. Small businesses used it to write emails, ads, and customer replies. Analysts used it to organize notes and summarize information. And that matters because adoption creates feedback. The more people use AI, the more use cases appear. The more use cases appear, the more companies invest. The more companies invest, the faster the tools improve. That feedback loop is one of the reasons this moment feels so different. The first driver is the most obvious one. The models are getting better, not perfect, not magic, but better in ways people can actually feel. AI systems are improving at writing, coding, summarizing, translating, searching through information, understanding images, and following more complex instructions. The important shift is that AI is no longer only about generating text. It is becoming multimodal, which means it can work across text, images, audio, documents, charts, and software tools. That makes AI much more useful in real workflows. For example, someone might use AI to read a long document, pull out the key points, turn them into a clear outline, create a slide structure, and draft an email explaining the findings. That still needs human review. AI can make mistakes. It can miss context. It can sound confident while being wrong. But the amount of useful first draft work it can produce has changed quickly. And that is what makes people pay attention. The second driver is access. Powerful AI tools are becoming easier to use and easier to plug into other products. Some people use AI through subscriptions. Some use it inside workplace software. Developers use APIs. Companies customize models. Others experiment with open-source tools. When a technology becomes easier to access, experimentation expands. A company may discover that AI can reduce repetitive support work. A creator may use it to speed up research. A teacher may use it to create lesson drafts. A financial analyst may use it to organize market notes. A small business owner may use it to generate product descriptions, social posts, or customer responses. None of these examples require AI to be perfect. They only require AI to save time, reduce friction, or make a hard task easier to start. That is practical progress. And practical progress is often what turns a technology from interesting into unavoidable. The third driver is infrastructure. When you use AI in a browser, it feels invisible. You type a prompt, wait a few seconds, and get a response. But behind the scenes, AI depends on a massive physical system. Chips, data centers, energy, cooling, networking, cloud platforms, engineers, supply chains. This is why AI is not only a software story, it is also a hardware story. A cloud story, an energy story, and an investment story. Chip makers, cloud providers, enterprise software companies, data center operators, utilities, and energy companies are all connected to the same trend. That is one reason AI has become such a major theme for investors and market watchers. But this is also where we need to stay grounded. Infrastructure is expensive, energy demand matters, supply chains can get tight, regulation can change the pace, and not every AI product will become a profitable business. The opportunity is real. But so are the constraints. That balance is important. Beyond Tomorrow is not about hype. It is about understanding the signal through the noise. The fourth driver is the workplace. AI is not arriving as one single tool. It is showing up inside tools people already use: email, documents, spreadsheets, coding environments, customer support platforms, design software, search, meeting notes, and project management systems. That matters because most jobs are not one big task. They are made of many smaller tasks. Some require judgment, some require creativity, some require communication, some are repetitive, some are just slow. AI is starting to compress parts of that workflow. It can turn a blank page into a draft. It can turn messy notes into a summary. It can turn a rough idea into a plan. It can turn a complicated document into a set of key takeaways. The near-term change is probably not that every job disappears overnight. The more realistic change is that many jobs begin to look different. People may spend less time starting from scratch, and more time editing, checking, deciding, and applying judgment. That means the useful skill is not blindly trusting AI. The useful skill is learning how to guide it, question it, verify it, and apply it to a real goal. Of course, the future rarely moves in a straight line. AI still has serious limitations. It can make mistakes. It can produce confident but incorrect answers. It can reflect bias. It can create security risks. It can raise copyright questions. It can be expensive to run. For businesses, adopting AI is not just about asking, "Can this tool do something impressive?" The better questions are, can we trust it? Can we measure the results? Can we protect private data? Can we explain how it is being used? Can we afford it at scale? And does it actually improve the work? The next phase of AI will not only be about bigger models. It will be about reliability, cost, governance, integration, and usefulness. That is where the real competition may happen. So what does this mean for tomorrow? First, AI literacy is becoming a professional advantage. You do not need to become a machine learning engineer. But understanding what these tools can and cannot do will help you make better decisions. Second, the future of work will likely reward people who combine human judgment with AI leverage. The valuable skill is not just using AI. It is knowing how to guide it, check it, improve it, and apply it responsibly. Third, AI will create opportunities beyond the obvious companies. The story includes chips, data centers, energy, cybersecurity, software, education, media, healthcare, robotics, and many other areas. But the smartest approach is to separate durable trends from short-term hype. AI is moving fast, but speed alone is not the same as value. The better question is, where does AI make something meaningfully faster, cheaper, safer, smarter, or more accessible? That is where the future starts to become visible. AI is moving faster than anyone expected because the whole system is accelerating at once. Better models, easier access, more infrastructure, more investment, more experimentation, and more pressure to adapt. There will be setbacks. There will be overhyped products. There will be risks that deserve serious attention. But there will also be real productivity gains, new companies, new skills, and new ways of working. The future is not arriving all at once. It is arriving through thousands of small changes that eventually become impossible to ignore. If you want clear, grounded breakdowns of AI, technology, investing, space, science, cybersecurity, and the future of work, subscribe to Beyond Tomorrow. We will keep watching the signals, filtering out the noise, and helping you understand what comes next.